Hello guys, this is John. Welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to have chicken biryani. So we will show you the process of how to make simple chicken biryani. So tonight we'll have biryani, and we'll show you the process. So stay tuned, watch till the end of the video. It's gonna be a interesting video. Yes, we will include this basmati rice. After some time we will let this mixed with the water properly, so that it will give us a very good smell. Wow, क्या smell है यार. The water is already boiled, so we'll put the rice. Now stir properly and soak it like this for some 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll be frying this onion. We'll fry until this onion color turns into golden color, and then we'll take it out and then we'll grind it again. So now we have this chicken, 2 kgs of chicken, and then we are going to mix. So yeah, salt, 2 spoons of salt, and then we have 10 grams of haldi, and we have added chili powder, and then we'll add some jeera powder, and then we'll add yogurt, dahi. So we're putting ghee. And now we will mix it. We will mix it gently, so that it will mix up with the meat properly, and then it will be tasty and crunchy. So after we mix all these masalas, we'll just keep it like this. We'll marinate it for like 15 minutes, and then we will fry it. So now this is already done, so we'll take this out and we'll mix it, we'll grind it in the grinder machine. So we'll take it out. So now we'll add dry chili, some jeera, guta jeera, and we'll put some tezpata. I don't know what it's called in English, but in Nagamese we call it tezpata. So we'll mix it a little bit lightly, and then we'll put some onions. Lasan dal dega. And we'll mix it for like 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll add again some ilachis and those long jalchini, salchini, and then we'll stir it. We'll mix the chicken. We'll mix this chicken and we'll cook it for like 40 to 45 minutes, and then we'll mix it with basmati rice later on. And now we'll mix the grind onions and ginger and then garlic. We have grind it together. Mix it, and we don't keep the steam on full heat, just keep it in the low heat so that it will not burn that chicken. So we'll add some 1 spoon of salt. Then we'll mix it, and then we'll show you afterwards how it is. So now the curry is ready. After 40 minutes, the curry look like this. Now we will mix it with the basmati rice. So this is our basmati rice. Now we will add the chicken. So
again we'll put up basmati rice on the top and we'll cover it. So we're adding basmati rice. So we'll add ghee on top of this, not so much but a little bit of ghee. So you might be wondering which ghee we are using. So this is the one, cow ghee.
Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. Channel to my welcome, come to the channel. हर शाम की तरह उस शाम भी मन मचल रहा था। अच्छा। हर शाम की तरह उस शाम भी मन मचल रहा था और मैं बिस्तर पे करवटें बदल रहा था। वाह वाह वाह। और मैं बिस्तर पे करवटें बदल रहा था। उसके बाद क्या होना? सो गया।
Wow, wow, wow.
So this is how it looks. Oh mama. So we are starting with our biryani with a lot of meat. Biryani. Now we'll be having our biryani. So that's all for today's video. So I hope you like it. It's simple kitchen homemade biryani.